Today's topic is array. When you need to deal multiple data items of same type, we will use array. Suppose we need 10 integer values. Suppose 10 values etc. What we will do? We will use 10 variables in general case. Suppose we will declare integer x1, x2, x3, this one, and like x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2, etc. etc. But think a situation when we need 100 values, we need to deal. Then will you use 100 variables, 100 numbers of variables x1, x2, x3 up to x100? No. In this situation, we will use array. Array is a collection of same type of variables. Declaration will be like this is the variable, array variable. Here x is the array variable which has 10 pockets. We can store 10 numbers of values, integer value. Suppose I am drawing a diagram. This is array x. I am drawing 10 number of pockets. This pocket's address will start from 0. This is x0, x1, x2 up to x9, since size is 10, and I can store here the values like this. So array is defined in the same manner as ordinary variable is defined. Like array definition, storage class, data type, array name and expression. Storage class, what you will use in a general variable declaration, data type, integer, character or etc. Array name x, suppose here x, and expression 10 if we want to store 10 numbers of values. Now we will write a simple program to store 10 integer values into an array. What we write in other program? We know this is header file. This is array declaration. In case of automatic, we don't need to use auto, we know that. We need another now we'll use a loop. I am explaining. Suppose this is array diagram. This is for x0 first pocket, x1 second pocket, x2 third pocket, up to this x9 is the last pocket, because 10 values I have taken 10 pockets. And when I want to keep a value in the first pocket, it will be x0 equal to the value, suppose 5, and in the second pocket x1, if I want to keep the value 6, in the third pocket x2, suppose 7. In this way I will have to follow. So there is, I need a loop here. For I equal to 0, I less than 9, because tail I plus plus, I equal to I plus 1, then scanf percentage d, because integer, ampersand x I. Whenever I equal to 0, xi will be x0. That means this area, and I will give the value, suppose 5, 5 will be stored here. And the next I equal to I plus 1, xi will be x1. What value I will give, it will be stored here in this way. And if I like to print the values, again I will use loop. Printf xi. What value I have stored, example, etc., it will be shown. So this is a simple demonstration of array. I will use more complex examples in the next session.